morning. Welcome to our Ministry versus Industry Conference. Today, our guest speaker is Minister Bob Young, also known as Precise.
Precise? Man, please, man. What you gonna teach us, man?
Man, he don't know what's going on now.
He don't know, man. He don't see what God is doing through us. Come on.
Be original, don't be a clone, man. Trust God, follow him, not your own plans. Play your zone, man. Be your own man. 4 steps that'll make you a grown man. Be original, don't be a clone, man. Trust God, follow him, not your own plans. Play your zone, man. Be your own man. 4 steps that'll make you a grown man. Christ come first in all things. Don't you play him for the bling or a chance to do your thing. If you rap, if you sing, tap, dance, guitar, string. Don't forget he the king and the reason that we sing. So we gotta come first. If he not glorified in your verse, then how you gonna reach planet Earth before your pops or your moms? So if you just wanna hear flex drop bombs, then you got it all wrong. Refocus your vision. We open the prisons. We walk in the walk that we talk when we spittin'. He Lord when we preach and he Lord when we teach, and he should be when we tempted to go creep. Top